Hello, in this video I will explain to you on how to solve this problem. So the question is, 4 1.5 volt cells are connected in series to a 12 ohm light bulb. If the resulting current is 0.47 ampere, what is the internal resistance of each cell, assuming they are identical and neglecting the resistance of the wires? Okay, let's draw the circuit first. Let's draw it. So here we have imperfect battery, right? So they have internal resistance. So the internal resistance is R here, small r, and then it will be in series with this perfect battery, which is 1.5 volt. And this is one model for a cell. Okay, but we have 4 of them. So let's draw them all. So this one will be our first cell. And this one here will be our second. So we also have this R and also this 1.5 battery. Okay, and then we have another resistance here, small r, and also with a battery here, 1.5. And finally, we will have the fourth cell, which is small r here, and with this battery here. Okay, so we'll have this one here is 1.5 volt, this one also 1.5 volt, and this one here also 1.5 volt. Good. And it is connected with a light bulb, but we can model this as a resistor, right? Because we only have the resistance of it and not the heat. So we will have this one here as 12 ohm, right? Good. And the current that passed through this is, this one here is 0.47. I is equal to 0.47. Okay, but then all of these components are in series, right? So we can replace this with a single battery and a single resistance, right? So we will have this single battery here is the sum of all the batteries, right? Because this negative and positive are connected to each other, we can just add them up. So we can get the equivalent circuit here with a single battery like this. And the EMF of this single idealized battery is 6 volt, right? Because 1.5 plus 1.5 plus 1.5 and 1 plus 1.5, that will be 6 volt. Good. And then what is the resistance across it? Okay, so we will have this resistance across it. So we will have 12 here. So what is the resistance? R is 12. But then it is in series with R, 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 and R. So I will have plus 4 of the small r, right? So we will have this as 12 plus 4r. Okay, but the current stays the same. So we will have this I here that will equal to 0.47. And remember, we can just use the Ohm's law, right? So we will have the I is equal to the EMF times the resistance. But our resistance is 12 plus 4R. Good. But then the EMF is 6 volt. Okay, now we can just plug that in, right? So we will have 0.47. And then that will equal to, we will have this one as 6 and divide that by 12 plus 4R. Or I can have 12 plus 4R here is equal to 6 divided by 0.47. Okay, and maybe let's calculate that, right? So we will have 6 divided by 0.47. That will be 12.77. Okay, so we'll have 12.77. 12.77. And so we will have, okay, maybe let's do it here. 12 plus 4r is equal to 12.77. Or we can rewrite that as r is equal to 12.77 minus 12, that will be 0.77. And to get the internal resistance here, we can just divide both sides by 4. So I will have R here is equal to 0.77 divided by 4. Good, and I will have 0.19 ohm. So I'll have 0.19, and the unit here will be in ohm. And that is the internal resistance here for each of the battery. So I will have, this is the internal resistance, and that is the answer for the question. Hopefully I did not make any mistakes during my calculation. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.